Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you the best export settings in CapCut for Instagram Reels, so your videos look sharp, smooth, and professional every time. First, open up the CapCut app on your phone, and make sure you already have the video you want to edit imported into your project. Once it's inside, tap to select the video. This will let you start adjusting how it looks. Now swipe through the bottom menu until you find the option called Adjust. Tap on it, then choose Sharpen. Here, you'll want to set the sharpness between 5 and 10. I'm going to leave mine at 7, which keeps the video clear without looking too harsh. When you're happy, tap the check mark to apply. Next, it's time to export. Tap the export button at the top. For resolution, set this to either 1080p or 4K, depending on the quality you filmed with. If your original footage was shot in 1080p, keep it at that. But if it was recorded in higher quality, go with 4K. For the frame rate, choose 30 FPS. This will give your reels a smooth, natural playback. Then, look for the bitrate and drag it all the way up to the highest value. This ensures the best possible image quality. Finally, make sure Smart HDR is turned off. Disabling this prevents the app from over-processing your video and helps keep the colors consistent once uploaded to Instagram. Once everything is set, just tap the export button. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more editing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.